Hello guys, today I'm having one more DIY for you. And I got inspiration from ZARA home website. So today we are making a leather wrap for any kind of book or notebook that you have. So I have this little one notebook. It's completely white. And I always have little notebooks in my bag because I'm the person that writes a lot and I get a lot of ideas. You will need a faux leather. Same as the last time, use any kind of faux leather that you have. I have this black faux leather. You know, it's very easy to see it's faux leather because it's very shiny. And on the inside it has that soft side. DIY. You will need the glue for this. This is Moment Classic. I always use the same glue in my videos, so you probably already know. This is gray glue because it dries transparent and it's really good glue in a sense it doesn't unglue and stuff like that. You can use a super glue for this DIY too, but to be honest, there's absolutely no need since this is a cardboard and this is a faux leather, so you don't need such super bonding glue. You just need any kind of normal glue, but not like a paper one that's too weak. And you will need, of course, a ruler and scissors to cut on the right measure. You don't even have to buy a faux leather if you have some old bag or something. Just, you know, recycle it and make something really cool. So how this gonna look like? We're just gonna literally wrap the little notebook in the leather, but we're gonna wrap it like this, that your leather goes over the edges, so like this a little bit, you know. So we will glue the insides like that. We will cut on the middle and then we will make a little wrap. You will see what kind of wrap is in question. So yeah, those are the steps. First step is, of course, to cut the right size of faux leather. And now we're just gonna glue the leather on the notebook. So you're just gonna put your notebook like this, and this is the front side. Take care where your notebook opens, okay? So this is the front side, and first we're gonna glue this side of the leather. And then we're gonna glue this side of the leather. And at the end we're gonna glue these two sides. of course, if you want, you can do this much tidier. Take care of each line, take care of each cutting. You know, if you're that kind of person, that's your choice. I'm not. So especially that we're gonna cover it now, so nothing's gonna be visible. And what I mean by covering is that we're gonna glue the last side of paper on that leather, so it's gonna look like this. So you're not gonna see the lines or rests of the glue and stuff like that. So let's just do that. So this is how the notebook looks like for now, just with a good leather, with a nice leather. This leather is really stretchy, which is good for this kind of gluing projects. And now we need to wrap it like ZARA wrap. So you find your front side. So this is your front side. You will need a long wrap for this. So let's just see how much of wrapping we need. So this is the leather I used. So we will need something to wrap like twice, I think. When I say wrap, that means just one straight line of leather. But I think we'll need more than one, so you need to wrap it like twice. Yeah, I think this is too short. But let's see. And now we're gonna measure how wide this wrap will be. The wrap will be 1 centimeter or 0.4 inches. There are 3 holes to be precise. One hole is near the edge, so we will put it on 1 centimeter from the edge. Like here. Just pinch it and cut. You can do this with scalpel if you have scalpel. I cannot find mine. And the other 2 holes are higher than this one. So it's like here and here. And then when you have your 3 little holes, I don't know, do you see that? So you wrap it like this, through the second hole, like this. Like this. And then we will glue it. So we will glue the wrap. So you wrap it like this. So your upper side of the wrap needs to be same as full leather, not this soft side. And now we're gonna glue this wrap. So you have that nice contrast of the full leather and the soft side. And then when that's dry, you take your wrap, push it through the second hole. So it goes out in the third hole. Like this. And pull it. And this is how it will look like. And now you just wrap the notebook. So as you can see, my wrap is a little bit shorter and I would like it to be longer. So what I will do, I will just cut one more wrap, 1 centimeter, glue the ends, and just so I can wrap it more time around the notebook. So just glue them together and leave that to dry. And when it dries, you have much longer wrap to wrap your book with it. So you just take it like this and wrap it the way you want it. I think it's much nicer. So it looks like this. Also like this, and then like this. You know, you can wrap it on so many ways. And yeah, that's your little notebook leather wrap. I hope you like this DIY. It's super simple, and if you have those kind of notebooks that you take to school, or that you take in your bag all the time and you want to look a bit nicer. So yeah guys, stay safe and sound and find your inner ground, and I will be seeing you in my next video. Bye guys.